We're out here in the city of Chino Hills today, and we're at the Terrace community, a highly sought after community here in Chino Hills. Now, for those of you that aren't aware, Chino Hills is located at the southwestern border of San Bernardino County. It's literally on the hub of the three major counties. You've got Los Angeles to the northwest, you've got Orange County to the south, and then you've got Riverside County to the southeast. Now, what makes this property highly desirable is the Terrace community has one of the lowest HOAs in town. You've got amazing amenities. You've got a one-level property. You're surrounded by the rolling hills, and this home is incredible. Let's go check it out for yourself. Hello and welcome home. Come inside. This is 2474 Saratoga Lane. You are standing in 1,001 square feet, a very cute open space. You notice when you walked in, the two-car garage is attached to the property, but it's not direct access. You have like a small courtyard, but it's really nice because it's super close by. The living room space in here is super cute because it's cozy, but it also feels big because you have these high ceilings. Now, this being a one-level property with the high ceilings, you do feel as if though you're maybe in 1,200 or 1,300 square feet. The living room space, the way it's laid out, is really neat because you have a few options, okay? You can put the television right above the brick fireplace, which does work, by the way, it's gas operated. You can put a couch here, set one up here, and then on this side of the wall to kind of separate the two spaces, and then possibly a nice table right here in your dining area. And then obviously it opens up to the kitchen. So there's a lot of functionality with it. What I love is that it feels like an open concept, which you really don't get that with 1,000 square foot, 2-bedroom, 2-bath townhome for the most part. So if that's not your vibe though, and you just wanna put couches on the side and then just have this big open space with possibly a round table here, that's super key too. The kitchen is really cozy. You have room for your refrigerator, you have cabinets all surrounding the property here. It is on the more dated side. That's okay. What I love about this property is that you really get a blank canvas to work with. That's a rarity today because everybody wants to put their upgrades and their items that you as the consumer end up paying an inflated price on. Whereas here, the owner decided to list it at a very good price, but then also give you a blank canvas to work with. Most of the items that you'll be taking care of in this home when you get it is gonna be all cosmetic. Paint, flooring, you know, you might scrape the acoustic on the ceiling, whatever your vibe is, but there's nothing like major here, which I really enjoy. Now, you have two very large bedrooms, which I'm gonna have you go take a look at along with their bathrooms, and then I'll meet you outside in the courtyard, backyard area with this incredible view. See you soon. How fun were those bedrooms? Now, let's enjoy this outer space here because you have a lot of talking points. First off, it's gated and you've got beautiful outdoor experience out here. You can put a barbecue in, you've got the nice patio. You wanna dine al fresco out here? You can, all the while enjoying the peaceful tranquility of this backyard. You've got the newer air conditioning unit, and then you have room to add a few more pieces. You want to put a spa in? You've got the room for that. You want to add a covered area? You can, but the sun is actually blocked by the rest of the property, so it's kind of a nice shade point here, which I really appreciate. And then of course, let's not forget that gorgeous view. There's nothing better than a view property. And with this home, you get the view from the outside as well as from your master bedroom of the snow-capped mountains. Of course, when we have snow, right? Either way, you're getting a gorgeous view up there. You get the city lights right behind me. Those are the city lights of Claremont, Upland, a little bit of Montclair. It sparkles at night beautifully. If you want to enjoy it from the comfort of your master bedroom or just hanging out here in the backyard, you have that capability. And it's one of the reasons why I love this property so much, being the end unit in the community with that gorgeous view, the peaceful tranquility of being surrounded here by the rolling hills. It just doesn't get any better. Now let's finish up with a recap of this property. Thank you for joining me on this tour of 2474 Saratoga Lane here in Chino Hills, the Terrace community of Chino Hills. Let's talk about what you're getting. 2 spacious bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,001 square feet of beautiful, ample living space. Remember, it is a blank canvas. The home needs a little bit of TLC. Full disclosure, one of the owners in the property did pass away in the home. That's partly why it's at such a great price, but you also still have to come in and paint your masterpiece with the blank canvas that you're getting here. Let's talk about other costs involved. The HOA here for the Terrace community is one of the lowest in the area in Chino Hills, $275. It's less than half than what you pay on most HOAs here in the community. You get the seclusion, you get a pool, you get a gated spa area. Very, very nice. And then on top of that, you get this gorgeous view behind me from your outside patio, from your master bedroom. It is absolutely gorgeous. You get those San Bernardino Mountains, the snow-capped areas as well. You get the city lights of Montclair, Upland, Claremont, that area. And then on top of that, you also get everything else that the Chino Hills lifestyle has to offer you. You know, Chino Hills is known for high quality life and beautiful rural atmosphere here. They've got 44 parks to choose from, 48 miles of amazing hiking trails for the whole family to enjoy. And you have some of the best restaurants in town, amazing shopping centers right down the street from you. You got the shops at Chino Hills, you got the Harkins Theater, you get so much here. You're also close proximity to some of the highest rated schools in town. And if that's not enough, you get the rest of the lifestyle that's offered here, with also access to all the major freeways. If you want to get to Los Angeles, the 60s right around the way. If you want to get down to Riverside, Orange County, you've got the 71. If you want to keep going further into the mountains, you're roughly about a good 45, 50 minutes from that. You're about a solid hour from the beaches, but you have access to really everything, being here on the hub of all 3 counties. If you'd like to see this property in person because you have a vision for yourself, if you're looking at downsize from, say, a 2-story and you want to be on a 1-level property, this is it for you too. Either way, we'd love to be a part of it with you. You can call us or text us, and we'd love to show you this home in person. Have a great day.